Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is Fadali and this video is about creating the vertical navigation bar in CSS. Okay, so I have just written some basic structure code of the HTML document. Okay, we have the heading vertical navigation bar. Okay, for creating any navigation bar we have to use the list. I'm just using the unordered list, and in unordered list you have to use the elements. Okay, list elements. Okay, so we have the 4 list element, and in the list element we have used the hyperlink element, and in the hyperlink element we have given the value with the hash. Okay, so if you just don't want to add any website or any link, you can simply use the name with the hash and it will kind of create clickable link, but it won't go anywhere. You can see here, so it is just kind of a sample link or the reference link. And as we know, in the navigation bar we don't have the markers, and to remove the markers I have to style the UL list style. It must be none. We just remove the markers here. Now I have to give it a color. Okay, if you just want to remove the default positional setting of the list, just use the padding to 0px and margin for 0px. Okay, so this is how you can remove the default setting of the list. Okay, now I just want to remove these underlines from my text. Okay, I have to style the hyperlink element of my list. It would be text decoration. It would be none. Okay, one more thing here. As we know that the display property of the link, the hyperlink element is inline, so we have to convert it into the block. So display block. Okay, now I have to add the hover effect on my list. Whenever I move the cursor on my links, it kind of give me a different color or kind of give me the hover effect. So I have to use, I think that will be fine. So let me just run it again and move my cursor. Alright, okay, so I don't need to use the margin value in the styling of my hyperlink element. Okay, now you can see that we are having the hover effect on our vertical navigation bar. Okay, so this is how it works. And the last thing, I would like to add the active link. So for creating the active link, I have to create a class here. That would be a.active class. Now I just want to use this class on the home because I want to make the home link an active link. Active. Okay, so let me just run this. Okay, now you can see that we have the activated link on our vertical navigation bar. Okay, so this is how we can make a link, an active link, and you can see here the hover effect and the active link, and we have created the vertical navigation bar. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel, and bye bye.